Hey guys, Hero Gaming here. So, this is gonna be my new PC build list. So, let's get right into it. I'm gonna sell my Alienware and buy this PC. My friend told me to call it the Black Blood custom PC build. I'll put this link in the description if you guys want to check out my parts. First up, we got the CPU. Intel Core i7-67K 4.0 gigahertz quad-core processor, 315. So then we got the CPU cooler, which is a Corsair H100i V2 liquid CPU cooler, $95. We also need thermal compound for the processor and the CPU cooler. Thermal compound, Arctic silver 5 high density polysynthetic silver. Sorry, I can't talk today. $6.88. Motherboard will be the MSI Z170A Gaming M5 ATX motherboard, 165. And then we're going to the memory, which will be the G-Skill Ripjaws 5 series, 16 gigabytes RAM, DDR4. It got cut off. That's what it looks like. Where's the price? Yeah, about that. So it's $65, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure why it printed like whatever, let's just skip. That is around $65. And then we got the storage. I chose the Samsung 850 Evo series 500 gigabytes solid state drive, $153. Also, I went with the this is another storage. So I went with the Seagate Desktop HDD 4 terabyte 5900 RPM internal hard drive, $109. Now we got the good stuff, the video card. MSI GeForce GTX 980 Ti 6 gigabytes video card, $665. The case of the computer. You guys might not see it right now. It's a horrible picture that I chose. But you guys can Google it, the name NZXT H440 matte black and red ATX ATX mid tower case, $110. Really good, really quiet case. It comes with like a thick layer of really soft material on the walls, so the fan noise doesn't interrupt gaming. Power supply, we'll be using the EVGA 750 watts, 80 plus gold certified ATX power supply, $65. As you saw here, my whole PC is 505 watts. For the sound card, the price might not show, but it was 88 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't have the price right now. I will put the link so you guys can check it out. Creative Lab Sound Blaster audio card, which looks like that. At the moment, I don't have the price for it. Sorry, guys. Moving on to the wireless network adapter. We're gonna go with the Gigabyte GC. I don't know what that is. $30. And then I don't need to read a bunch of these fans. I just chose 6 case fans. For the case fans, we'll go with the Corsair Air Series SP 120mm High Performance Edition 1784. And then we got 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got one over here. You guys already saw a sneak peek of it. Now on to the good stuff. Monitor. I'm gonna go with the Asus 23-inch monitor, 1 ms, response time, full HD, $110 each. We're gonna go with 2. Keyboard, Corsair Strafe wired gaming keyboard, and it is mechanical for $82. And with the mouse, I'll be using my old mouse, Death Adder Chroma Razer. And so that is it. Total build was $23.19. $8 discount because I used the combo. What the combo is the combo is the processor and the CPU cooler together. If you buy them together, it's $8 off. I didn't even notice until I put them all together. And then the mail-in rebate, $70. So my total is $2,200. I'll probably sell my Alienware for about $1,000, and I'll get this PC for $1,200. Also, we're moving on to the best for last. This is from Amazon. So this is my mic setup. The top here is, you guys might not see, but that's like an iPhone, and it's like a hand clip. So you clip it to the table and it holds your iPhone. You can move your iPhone around. It's like a flexible arm, like a tripod. It's for feature videos. I won't spoil it right now. Got the pop filter, Neewer. We're gonna go with the Neewer for the whole setup. 6-inch studio microphone, mic, round shape, wind pop filter, $6.99. Neewer microphone, suspension, boom, scissor arm stand, $13.50. Neewer 1-channel 48-volt phantom power supply, black with adapter. What this is a power supply for the mic. It's not required, I think, because the PC can power it, but it's like needed. It's better. And then we got the Neewer NW700 professional studio broadcast and recording mic. So my headphones I don't have at the moment. I have the wiring for it. It's the Razer PX22. The mic is currently not with me. I have that mic, the headphones, and I'll be using this mic setup. Total 68, and total of that is $2,200. Once I sell my Alienware, I will purchase my whole setup. And I'll keep my headphones, my mouse, and my Razer mouse pad for the next setup. So, as I said, I don't want to spoil this. Well, I kind of have to now. So, in the future, I will have a schedule of each day what video I'm gonna make. One day of the week is gonna be Yu-Gi-Oh card pack opening. I'll open a bunch of new packs that come out. And so I need this what's it called? I clip it onto the table of my setup, and my camera records straight down on the desk, and I can open my cards without any hassle. That's what that is. And so the pop filter is with the mic, and this will go around the screen. Like it'll walk onto the table and go around the monitors. And so I'll have this link in the description if you guys want to check out my PC list. But I won't have these links. I'll try to, but actually I might be able to. I'm not sure. For a link. But until then, stay tuned for more future videos. With the new PC, I'll have full quality HD. Maybe not 4K for now, but I'll have full HD gaming coming soon. Subscribe, comment, like. See you guys. Stay tuned for more.